Jan Dolsky. Finally. I've been impatient.
Ah bah c'est le boss lui, non?
Yeah, sure.
Ah, c'est vous le gros
You that
poisson.
big fish Lucas was mumbling about?
Terrence Maxwell. But yes, I am both his and your superior at mining operations. First of all, my heartfelt condolences. Losing the whole crew must have been hard on you.
Qu'est-ce qu'on lui dit? Qu'on était vraiment triste ou on s'en fout? Ouais, les questions elles sont vraiment trop noires ou trop blancs quoi. Ouais, j'en ai rien à foutre ou ouais, je suis dévasté. On les connaissait pas, hein. Ah, quoique, si. On s'est retrouvé tout seul. Ouais, si, c'était quand même la merde.
I still can't get over it.
Their families have been informed. They are grief-stricken, as you can imagine. But the deaths of their loved ones will go down in history as part of a pioneering discovery. Your discovery.
So, do people know I found Rapidium?
We're keeping the news within a very limited circle. It's only wise for the time being.
On s'en bat les couilles que les gens sachent que j'ai trouvé du rapidium là. Ouais.
Of course. Yeah. No reason to get everyone hyped up. Might still fail.
I can see you're a grown man, Jan. And you understand the stakes. I don't want to put pressure on you, but failure is not an option.
That's why you had me create my altars? You'd rather let me lose my mind than lose the Rapidium?
It was a long shot, I admit. But we were saving both. Rapidium and you, Jan. Do you think it was a mistake?
Bah, clairement la multicorporation Universal mondiale là, elle en a rien à foutre d'un pauvre mec comme moi. Bien sûr qu'ils sont là que pour le rapidium. Ouais.
You think you're bullshitting me? What if I hadn't found Rapidium? You'd never go to such lengths to save me.
On le sait très bien.
What if? People like to use that phrase a lot, don't they? Well, you can actually learn the answer to that question. Many would envy you.
Let's just get one thing straight, Maxwell. I know you expect things of me, but I'm no hero.
Ah, heroism. Are you familiar with the works of Albert Camus?
Albert comment?
Of course.
Then we will understand each other well. Camus believed heroism was easy, accessible. For him, it was living a normal man's life that was a true challenge. Being decent. Doing the right thing. You are the first person to prove that we can actually excavate Rapidium in quantities that can really make a difference. A dream the biggest corporations have been chasing for over a decade now. Constantly failing. You say you're not a hero? Well, maybe I don't need you to be one. Maybe you should just carry on being a decent man, Jan Dolsky.
Ouais.
That doesn't sound so bad. Thanks.
Of course, I would lie to you if I said your work is done. You've probably noticed how different Rapidium looks in reality than on the training materials they showed you.
Why is that?
It changes form constantly. Its chemical structure is so volatile that it is almost impossible to capture two particles in the same state. A fleeting substance. spectacular, but also very unstable.
Alors comment ça se fait que ça fonctionne?
How come it works then?
Not enough tests were run to explain that. The only sample ever found in space was researched inside a mobile base like your own, but it never made it back to Earth. It lasted long enough to demonstrate its amazing qualities, only to disintegrate somewhere between the Copernicus and the Hyades cluster.
Vous avez peur qu'ils ne tiennent pas tout le voyage.
You're afraid the rubidium I found might not withstand the journey?
I know it won't. That's why we came up with a special container for it. An Ark.
You mean like a box?
A hermetic module dedicated specifically to storing and transporting rubidium. We have blueprints for it. Lucas should send the necessary data over to you by the time we finish talking. Constructing a rubidium Ark should be your primary focus now.
Tu sais quoi, on va le brosser dans le sens du poil. Oui, chef.
Sounds like a big task. I should get to it straight away.
It is a big task, Jan, but it's worth every effort. I hope you realize the
Et
gravity
en
of
fait,
the
il nous
moment.
explique pas.
I thought you said you didn't want to put pressure on me.
You're right. Lucas said you had questions. Is there anything you'd like to ask me?
Il nous explique pas en quoi le rapidium est un enjeu aussi important que ça. Parce que à part nous, le rapidium, on sait qu'on peut se cloner. Mais pourquoi toutes les entreprises veulent ça? Quel est l'intérêt pour eux? Est-ce qu'on a vraiment des questions à lui poser? Non, bah tout ça, on sait déjà. Hein. Ah si, l'atterrissage, attends.
You know what happened to my crew.
Lucas showed me the records. I have a theory, but it's more of a hunch. I don't have any hard proof to support it.
What is it?
Well, I think it might have been the quantum processing unit that killed them.
What?
Tué par l'ordinateur.
No, that's crazy.
Do you read detective stories, Jan? The culprit always needs to have two things. A motive and a means. Well, it certainly had a means to do it.
But why?
Like I said, it's just a hunch. I'm afraid I
C'est
won't have
intéressant,
much
ça,
more time for
pourquoi?
now, Jan. Do you have any other questions?
The branching procedure. There's a story there. Tell me.
It is something that has been tested long ago within Ally Corp. But for completely different reasons and, as you can imagine, in a much more rudimentary fashion.
Altering mind records? For whom?
I'm sorry, Jan. It's highly classified and I already told you too much. I think you deserve answers, but regarding this matter, like I said, things were tested just for a while. Not much came of it. Now, I'd love to keep on chatting, but I really will need to be ending this call soon. Do you have any
Je
more
dois
questions?
partir, mais t'as d'autres questions? Hey,
No,
ciao.
I'm good.
Then we only have one more issue to clear.
What's that?
You can trust me and Lucas completely. But if anyone else contacts you, it's absolutely vital you don't tell them anything about the existence of your altars.
Quand c'est le big boss d'une multicorporation là comme ça qui te dit d'en parler à personne, c'est louche. C'est louche, louche, louche.
What? Why?
You know very well why, Jan. The law has been violated.
I thought Lucas said the branching was authorized.
You haven't been listening. There are no procedures for this sort of situation. There is no one who can officially authorize such an act. At the end of the day, it was your decision to branch yourself. It will be in your best interest to keep that in mind when considering the consequences.
I don't like the sound of this.
Rapidium Archeon. That's what you should focus on right now. Your secret is safe with me and Lucas. Once you come back with a remedy for Earth's ailments, nobody will think of punishing you for how you got it. Remember, just do the right thing. Now, I really have to go, but it was a pleasure talking to you, and we will talk more, I promise. Until then.
Ah si, t'en avais peut-être parlé au début que le rapidium, ça pouvait guérir le cancer et tout le tralala, non? Donc là, en gros, le gars, il est en train de me dire que c'était ma décision de me faire des clones. Et que je devrais me taire, quoi. Parce que c'était illégal. Donc en gros, c'est eux qui m'ont poussé à faire ça, mais... en gros, ils vont me balancer en pâture quand je reviendrai. Ouais. Qu'est-ce qu'il faut pour l'arche? Allons voir. Non, c'est pas là. C'est où? Arche de rapidium. Wow. Ouais, d'accord. 120 de rapidium. Ah ouais. Les minéraux... Les minéraux, je les ai, je pense, avec la raffinerie, non? Un endroit où les métaux enrichis peuvent être transformés en métaux et en matière organique. Ah oui, métaux enrichis, j'en ai 36. Eh, je suis obligé de me fabriquer ça si je veux... Ouais. Bon, on va aller se coucher. Est-ce qu'on a assez de bouffe encore? Parce qu'on est 4 maintenant. Franchement... « 23. Bon, pour l'instant, on est bon. Ah, le mineur et le technicien ont eu une conversation désagréable. Qu'est-ce qui s'est passé? Il veut pas me parler du coup? Ah oui, il veut pas me parler. Ah, lui non plus. Ah. Qu'est-ce qu'on va faire? Ah oui, c'est vrai que j'ai un avant-poste de rapidium là. Bah, il me faut des pylônes. Il me faut des pylônes pour l'alimenter. Est-ce que je peux l'utiliser sans pylône? Je pense que non. Oui, parce que s'il n'est pas alimenté, forcément, il pourra pas... pourra pas fonctionner. Oh, l'un de vos altères est blessé. Quoi? Pourquoi? Malade? Si blessé à la main. Putain, le con. Eh bah ça forcément c'est pas alimenté donc je peux pas. Il me reste des pylônes ou pas? Ah ouais, si je vais pouvoir l'alimenter. Ah bah là. Donc là je peux travailler dessus. Ça je vais pouvoir faire une infirmerie. Ok, tac tac tac. Ah, je suis coincé. Non, je peux pas, c'est vrai qu'il me faut des minéraux. Putain, mais je les chope où les minéraux? Ah, si j'avais de la matière organique, on pourrait déjà faire l'arche. On peut se faire la raffinerie. La raffinerie à côté de la salle du capitaine. On peut le déplacer, ça? Non, ça je pense pas. Donc le mineur, on va aller le voir au dortoir là, qu'est-ce qui s'est passé?
Hey, you wanted to talk about something?
Yeah,
What is it?
I need something to, you know, keep me going. I feel like shit.
What do you mean?
The arm that I lost in an accident. It's weird, but it hurts. I mean, fuck, it hurts.
Wait a minute. Isn't phantom pain supposed to work the other way around? Like, if you had an arm and then you lost it, then it hurts.
What? I don't know. It's your arm, not mine. Damn, everything is so fucked up in here. I am not some kind of wimp, so if I say it hurts, it really fucking hurts, alright?
Ok, ok, bon, je le
Okay,
crois. Hein.
okay, calm down. I believe you.
Alright, so, you know there's only one way to deal with it, right? Numb the son of a bitch.
What are you talking about?
Painkillers, what else? Tramadol, hydrocodone, codeine, or that shit you doped me with before. That should do the trick.
Ouah, bof bof. Hein. Putain, j'aime pas bien avoir un mineur qui est sous tramadol. Hein. Putain, Il a peut-être réellement mal, mais j'ai peur que si on lui en donne, il devient accro. Qu'est-ce qu'on fait? On donne ou on donne pas? Ah, on donne pas. Ah, mais s'il souffre réellement. Putain, dur. Bon, pour l'instant...
What? I'm not giving you any more of that stuff. It's too strong.
Ouais, c'est trop violent.
Bro, I'm not a kid. I know what I'm doing. Spent half my fucking life on painkillers.
Ah bah voilà, il a passé la moitié de sa vie sous analgésique, bah ouais. Et ça, j'ai vécu ça. Hein, c'est la douleur. Tu penses que t'as mal, mais c'est ton cerveau qui te dit que t'as mal pour lui donner des analgésiques. Voilà, c'est exactement la raison pour laquelle je peux pas t'en donner. Parce que là, en gros, en vrai, il doit pas avoir mal. Enfin, lui, il sent qu'il a réellement mal. Hein. Lui, il ment pas. Il a réellement mal, mais son corps a pas mal. C'est son cerveau qui lui dit qu'il a mal.
They're highly addictive, and I don't want your head messed up.
Oh, come on.
This is probably just a psychosomatic problem. You're still in shock after waking up with a different body.
Psycho what? Just give me those goddamn pills.
No, it's all in your head. Just wait it out, and I'm sure it will pass.
Eh oui, c'est dur. Les analgésiques, c'est dur comme ça pendant quelques semaines, et puis après, ça passe. Ah bah, il est pas content, bah tant pis. Hein.
So, how are you? Settling in all right? Settling in is overrated. I analyze reality from wherever I am, however uncomfortable the angle. There's always an observation to be made. I'd love to hear what you managed to observe. This place is not run optimally.
Arnios, t'as oublié la blouse aussi scientifique. S'il a des idées sur comment diriger le truc, pourquoi pas, hein. Ah bon? Toi, t'es d'avis qu'on lui dise non, c'est bon, j'ai pas besoin de ton aide. Non, moi je veux savoir ce qu'il a à en dire.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, mais je voulais pas qu'il dise ça. Qui est con.
Now that you're here, with your experience, I'd love to pick your brain.
Non.
Think you could mentor me?
Ah non, bah je voulais pas dire ça du tout.
First of all, you need to set long-term goals and draw up a roadmap for each of them. Remember to include all unpredictable variables in the equation. That way you can have contingency plans at the ready for each instance. All right, slow down. Prioritize resources. Do not waste time on idle conversations with the crew. Hide the booze. Don't be cheap on coffee. That's slow enough for you?
La bordure. Ouais, bon, bah pas de picole, ça c'est clair.
Hey, you've just crossed out every team-building exercise on my list. The people are there for the mission, not the other way round. Truth is, I really wish we could make use of the tech I worked on for all these imaginary years. It would make things so much easier if it existed.
Ah oui, sur quoi porter
what
ses
exactly
recherches?
was your research about? Nanotech in space exploration. We went from a humble startup to making headlines in a few months. Taking our solutions to the front line was my dream come true. The data we could bring back. You had big plans for it. Well, now it's all gone. Yeah, I understand how lousy that must feel. Honestly, I don't think you do. But I hope we're not going to sit around crying about it. There's work to be done, here and now. That's true. Well, let's get to it then.
Ok. Bon. Alors, les minéraux, ce sera peut-être la prochaine fois. Ouais, bah je vais aller manger aussi, moi. On va s'arrêter là pour... c'était un petit stream vite fait ce matin. On va juste aller passer la nuit et puis on s'arrête là. Ah, ah oui, c'est vrai que j'ai fait la raffinerie. Qu'est-ce qu'on a ici? Quand est-ce que je restream? Bah, comme d'hab, hein, je dirais bien dans la semaine, mais à chaque fois j'ai pas le temps, donc on va dire week-end prochain. Hein. Allez, on va s'arrêter là. Samedi prochain, ouais.
Et n'oubliez pas, abonnez-vous. Abonnez-vous.